Mix fabric softener into alcohol just like this, and you'll never clean the same way again. Today, I'm going to show you how to make an incredibly easy, budget-friendly DIY fabric freshener and sanitizer right at home. Store-bought room sprays can get so expensive, and the scent often disappears after just a few minutes. This homemade version smells amazing, lasts for days, and helps keep your surfaces clean. It takes just 3 simple ingredients that you probably already have in your house. Let's get right into it. For our first ingredient, we are using Ultra Downy April Fresh Fabric Conditioner. This is the secret to getting that classic, long-lasting, fresh out of the laundry smell. For this recipe, we need exactly 1 cup of fabric softener. To save on cleanup, you don't even need a separate measuring cup. Just take the pink cap that comes right on top of your Downy bottle and fill it all the way to the top line. Once it's full, pour the fabric softener directly into your mixing pitcher. Make sure to let it sit for a second to get every single drop out. Next, keep that same pink cap handy, because we're going to use it to measure our second ingredient. We are adding 1 cup of 70% isopropyl alcohol. Go ahead and pour the alcohol right into the pink cap until it reaches the very top. Then add it to the pitcher. The alcohol is a game changer here, because it serves 2 purposes. First, it acts as a gentle sanitizer for your fabrics, which is perfect for high-traffic areas. Second, alcohol evaporates very quickly, meaning your couches, rugs, and curtains will dry almost instantly instead of staying damp. Now that we have our fabric softener and alcohol together, we need to dilute the mixture so it sprays smoothly and doesn't leave any heavy residue behind. For this, we are adding exactly 200 milliliters of plain water. Once your water is in, grab a spoon or a small whisk and give it a really thorough mix. You want to stir it for a few seconds until everything is completely blended into a smooth, light blue liquid. Honestly, my entire space smells absolutely incredible just from mixing this up. Now that it's perfectly mixed, grab a clean, empty spray bottle and use a funnel to carefully pour your fresh mixture inside. Pop the spray nozzle back on, give it a quick shake, and your homemade fabric mist is ready to go. You can use this all over the house. I love spraying it directly onto my bathroom rugs, bedroom carpets, living room couches, or even on the curtains so the breeze carries the fresh scent through the room. If you enjoyed this quick and easy home hack, please hit that like button, subscribe for more cleaning tips, and leave a comment below to let me know how it worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Oh, and here is a quick pro tip before you go. If you want your bed sheets to feel and smell like a luxury hotel every single night, give your pillows and comforter a very light mist of this spray right after you make your bed in the morning. By the time you climb into bed at night, the alcohol will be completely gone, leaving behind nothing but the softest, freshest scent imaginable. It completely transforms your sleep routine.